Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. The genocide in Gaza continues despite global condemnation. The crisis in Palestine is not just an Arab or a Muslim concern, it is a humanitarian issue. The continued tension in Ukraine is heavily tolling on our global supply chain. The protracted crisis in Myanmar threatens regional stability. For more than 7 years, Bangladesh has been hosting over 1.2 million forcibly displaced Rohingyas who are Myanmar nationals. We continue to bear significant social, economic and environmental costs. The UN Secretary General recently visited the camps in solidarity. While global efforts are drastically shrinking but continuing, Asian leaders must come together to ensure their safe and dignified repatriation to their home country, Myanmar.
প্লিজ আমার ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে সবাই সাবস্ক্রাইব করে আমার পাশে থাকুন আরো নতুন নতুন ভিডিও পেতে।